According to a popular Western belief, dairy products are excluded from the diets of people in most parts of the world. Americans, who include a lot of dairy products in their diet, wonder if there is something about dairy products that others know and they don't. Dairy products are not essential to the maintenance of good health. According to PH Miracle Diet, it is harmful for the body, which is why it omits acidifying food, such as dairy products, from its list of acceptable foods. By doing so, it prevents obesity and the medical disorders that obesity brings with it. Dangers of dairy products. A number of people strongly believe that taking dairy products, including milk, strengthens bones and improves health. In fact, dairy products comprise a large quantity of fat and protein, which produce enormous quantities of acid within the body. Cow's milk is more acid-forming than goat's milk, which has lesser quantities of fat and protein. Among dairy products, clarified butter is the only item that does not produce acids thanks to the short chain of fats that it comprises. Moreover, dairy food is not pure. The dairy industry, in order to make a profit, has created an image of milk as not only safe but also essential for the maintenance of health. The average cow of 50 years ago could produce 2,000 pounds of milk annually. The average cow of today, on the contrary, produces 50,000 pounds of milk annually. Consider the amount of drugs, hormones, antibiotics, forced feeding, and specialized breeding that is responsible for such mass production of milk. Also consider the fact that all these additives enter your body whenever you drink milk. Dairy products in FDA and Harvard food pyramids. In 2003, the Harvard School of Public Health modified the FDA food pyramid on the basis of certain imbalances noticed by the users of the FDA food pyramid. The FDA food pyramid reflects a preference to alkaline foods, although it doesn't specifically make a mention of alkaline how to lose weight with the right food, and acidic foods. The Harvard Pyramid includes a single serving of dairy foods or a calcium supplement daily. The FDA Pyramid, on the other hand, recommends 2 to 3 servings per day, along with supplements. Dr. Meyer Stampfer, professor of epidemiology and nutrition and chair of the Department of Epidemiology at the Harvard School of Public Health, explains the Harvard Pyramid by saying that Americans should eat less dairy products. Calcium is essential for the maintenance of good health, but a supplement, according to Dr. Stampfer, is more than enough to satisfy the body's needs for calcium and to develop strong bones. The level of calcium in 2 to 3 servings of dairy food, as recommended by the FDA food pyramid, can actually cause harm to the body. In addition, taking too much of calcium could increase the risk of cancer, and science has not yet discovered any link between calcium intake and prevention of osteoporosis. Recent studies have linked milk to disorders such as intestinal colic, anemia, allergies, intestinal irritation, and many such disorders in babies and toddlers. Milk-drinking children usually suffer from allergies, asthma, tonsils, diabetes, and colic. According to studies on the subject, conventionally produced milk results in coronary disorders, allergies, arthritis, and sinusitis in adults. A large number of Americans have deleted milk from their list of acceptable foods and claim that the results are excellent. Make a study of the dangers of dairy food, and see if it does not change your opinion of milk as safe and healthy. You will realize that many people have excluded it from their diets due to the acid-producing quality of dairy foods, including milk.